How do you install your Forbo Allura ease? What do we need? Safety gloves, utility knife hooked blade, measuring device, double-sided tape, a pencil, and chalk line. Step 1. General advice. Allura ease tiles are installed without using a tacker or any form of adhesive. Temperature info. The laying surface needs to have a constant temperature of at least 18 degrees C for 48 hours before, during, and 24 hours after installation. The material must be conditioned in the same environment at least 24 hours before installation. Step 2. Check the materials. Prior to installation, the tiles must be checked to ensure that the correct color, batch number, and quantity have been received and that the material is in good condition. Always use material from the same batch. Store Allura ease tiles and planks in cartons stacked, with a maximum of 5 cartons and lying flat. Step 3. Setting out. In most cases, Allura ease must be installed without room for expansion around the perimeter. The right starting point for laying a tiled floor is traditionally the center of the area. It may be necessary to adjust the starting point, for example, to avoid making small incisions in the circumference. In some cases, it may be easier to work in the longitudinal direction, using the center line as a guideline. Measure the center of the room and snap a chalk line. Step 4. Laying and cutting tiles. Securing the first row of tiles with a suitable plasticizer-resistant double-sided tape will help to prevent the first row of tiles or planks from shifting during installation. Start laying the tiles at the starting point and make sure that the tile is laid exactly according to the layout lines. Leave no gap between the plank and the wall. If the first few tiles are not laid accurately, the whole installation will be affected. Once on the end of the row against the other wall, place a plank exactly over the last plank. Afterwards, place a next plank against the wall, over the other 2 planks. Cut with a utility knife over the middle plank along the top plank. Bend the plank on the place where it has been cut and it will break smoothly. Use a hooked blade to cut the plank. The cut piece can be used in the free space at the end of the row. The other part can be taken to start with on the other end of the space. This is your starting plank. In case of a short cut plank, it is advised to secure it with double-sided tape. Allura ease can be cut with normal installation tools such as utility knives. And the final step, cleaning the floor. The complete installation should be cleared of scrap material and debris and the floor swept or vacuumed.